let's enter into the theoretical aspect of the interaction of a liquid, like a resin, and a substrate, solid substrate, like a paper. If we consider a droplet of a liquid with molecules represented by the black dots, between the molecules we have in red the interaction, the attractions of the different molecules. They prevent the liquid to expand in volume and to remain cohesive. At the surface, we have this attraction, this interaction, that develop a kind of skin surrounding the volume of the droplet. The surface tension of the liquid characterize the strength of this skin. For water, where we have very strong interaction between the molecules, the surface tension is very high with a figure of 72 millinewton per meter. For a solvent, like ethanol, this energy is much lower and surface tension is only 22 millinewton per meter. If now we consider the solid substrate, we have a similar criteria or property that we call the surface energy of the solid. For most of the solid, and this is a case of our paper, this energy is in the range 40–45 millijoule per square meter. Millijoule per square meter is the same unit as millinewton per meter. If we try to apply a liquid on the surface of the solid, then we will replace the energy of the solid by the energy, so the surface tension of the liquid. That will happen only if the energy of the liquid is lower than the energy of the solid, because the system cannot increase globally its energy. So, if we consider a droplet falling on the surface of the substrate, two cases may happen. Either the affinity of the liquid with the solid is high, and the angle, the contact angle will be low, that means the liquid will spread on the surface, or the liquid wants to remain very cohesive and has a poor wetting ability, the contact angle will remain above 90 degrees. You understand that with water or with pure resin, the contact angle will be high, the spreading will be poor. If we add wetting agent, the purpose of the wetting agent is to lower the attraction at the surface of the liquid, so to lower the surface tension. And thanks to that, the resin with the wetting agent will have a lower surface tension and will decrease the contact angle, so develop a good spreading. In our research center, we have equipment to be able to characterize the surface tension of the liquid and the surface energy of the solid. This kind of equipment measure angles of different liquid, and by equations we are able to estimate the parameters. So now you know a little bit more about the theory and the terminology of surface tension of liquid, surface energy of solid, and the contact angle which characterize the interaction between the both liquid and solid.